Enums are a great tool for managing constants in PHP classes. They make code more readable by using labels instead of integers or strings. Enums shine whenever you need to define options in a class, user roles, content status, error codes, and more. Labels like admin or published make output easier to understand. In our example, the user type enum classifies the user as basic or admin. We can now selectively show admin-only UI based on the user's type. So use enums to simplify conditionals, improve readability, and document intent. They are a key way to manage constants and options in object-oriented PHP. Don't forget, enums are not available in older versions of PHP. If you like my content, please subscribe or follow me for more videos like this.